I would like to go into the stored energy concept of flying a helicopter now. In a helicopter, you have an engine which produces energy. And power, of course, is just the production of energy. But once that engine stops, it's absolutely worthless. It does not produce any energy, and it does not store any energy. But fortunately, there are 3 places in a helicopter where you can store energy. And the controls of a helicopter are such that the pilot has complete control over where he stores that energy, which storage bin he takes the energy out of when he needs it. He can even take energy out of one storage bin and put it in another if he chooses to do so. So you have a very valuable, a very powerful tool that you can use if you understand how it works. The 3 places that we store energy in a helicopter are in our rotor RPM, our forward flight speed, and our altitude AGL. In the case of rotor RPM and forward flight speed, we store the energy in the form of kinetic energy, or the energy of motion. And if you remember your high school physics, kinetic energy is just equal to 1/2 mv squared, where m is the mass or the weight of the object, v is its speed or velocity. For instance, in the case of the rotor RPM energy, the m is the weight of the rotor blades and their tip weights, and the v is the RPM. In the case of your forward flight speed, the m is the weight of the helicopter, and v is the forward flight speed of the helicopter. The altitude energy is stored in the form of potential energy, or the energy of height. Potential energy is that energy that I would store if I took a 1-pound weight at this height, raised it up 1 foot, I would have stored 1 foot-pound of energy. If I allow that 1-pound weight to descend 1 foot, I can recover 1 foot-pound of energy. That's potential energy. And in the case of the helicopter, the altitude energy then is just equal to the weight of the helicopter multiplied times the height above the ground.